Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to clear the output region in the MySQL workbench. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you are working in the MySQL workbench, you will create the database, you will create the table, you will enter the details in the table and all. Okay, so you will do a lot of work in the MySQL workbench. Okay, so and whenever you try to execute here, you can see the query has been executed successfully or not in the below output region. Okay, so here you can see the action output, and here you can see so many details related to your output execution. Okay, suppose if you want to clear all these details, like suppose if you want to clear this particular region means, so for that what you can do is like you can just take your mouse cursor to this particular point and you can right click here. So once you right click here you can see the last option, that is a clear option. Okay, so once you click on this particular clear option, so here you can see all the output region has been cleared. Okay, so now you can freshly start creating the database or the table, whatever you want to create, and you can just work on it. And here the output region is completely clear, and you can just start working freshly on the MySQL workbench. Okay, so this is how you can clear the output region in the MySQL workbench. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.